Welcome to the spoken tutorial on conditional statements. In this tutorial, we will learn to use if-else blocks, if-elif-else blocks, ternary conditional statement, and pass statement. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 16.04 operating system, Python 3.4.3, and IPython 5.1.0. To practice this tutorial, you should know how to use basic data types and operators, strings and input-output statements. If not, see the relevant Python tutorials on this website. First, let us learn about if condition. If condition is used to decide whether to execute the statements inside the if block or not. Here is the syntax. Next, we will see about if-else condition. When the test condition is true, it will execute the body of if. If the condition is false, body of the else is executed. Note that if and else statements end with a colon. This denotes the beginning of the code block of true or false condition. All the statements inside a code block are indented by 4 spaces. Let us start IPython. Open the terminal. Type IPython3 and press enter. From here onwards, remember to press the enter key after typing every command on the terminal. Now let us check if an entered number is even or not. Type num is equal to int inside brackets input open and close brackets. Enter 4 and press enter. Type if num %2 equal to 0 colon. Print inside brackets inside single quotes even. Press backspace 4 times and type else colon. Print inside brackets inside single quotes odd. Press enter twice to get the output. As expected, it displays even as output. Note that the statements inside a code block are indented by 4 spaces automatically. Next, we will see another conditional statement called elif. All the syntax and rules for elif are same as if-else statements. In if-else, only one condition is checked. But in elif statement, multiple conditions can be checked. For example, the first block of code is executed as soon as condition 1 evaluates to true. All the subsequent conditions in elif ladder are not checked. The else block gets executed if all the conditions in if and elif ladder are evaluated to false. Let us understand if, elif, else ladder with an example. Type a is equal to -3. We have a variable a which holds integer value as -3. Type as shown. This program will print positive if a is positive, negative if it is negative, or 0 if the above conditions are evaluated to false. Press enter twice to see the output. We can also have any number of elif conditions within an if-elif-else statements. For example, based on the type of user, the corresponding operations are performed using elif. Pause the video. Try this exercise and then resume the video. Given a number num as input, write an if-else block to print num if it is divisible by 10. Else, print 10 asterisk num. The solution is on your screen. Next, let us learn about ternary operator. Ternary operator allows to test a condition in a single line, replacing the multi-line if-else. It can reduce the code size and increase the readability of the code. Here is the syntax. Let us write a ternary conditional statement to find the largest of two numbers. Type a is equal to 4, b is equal to 2, large underscore num is equal to a if a greater than b, else b. Print inside brackets large underscore num. We got the required output. Pause the video. Try this exercise and then resume the video. Given a number n as input, write a ternary operator to print n if it is divisible by 10, else print 10 asterisk n. The solution is on your screen. Next, we will learn about pass statement. The pass statement acts as a null operation, that is, nothing happens when it executes. It works as a placeholder for a block of code. It is used in a code block where actual code implementation is not known yet. Let us understand the pass statement with an example. Type a is equal to 11. Then type as shown. If a divided by 2 equals to 0 if block is executed. Else no operation is performed. Press the enter key twice to get the output. Here a divided by 2 is not 0. So no operation is performed and nothing is displayed as output. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned the conditional statements such as if-else statement, if-elif-else statement, ternary conditional statement, and pass statement. Here are some self-assessment questions for you to solve. First, given a variable t, print good morning if it is less than 12, otherwise print hello. Use if-else statement. Second, convert the below if-else code into ternary conditional statement. And the answers? First, the following code gives the required output. Second, use the following statement to convert the if-else code into a ternary statement. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Please post your general queries on Python in this forum. FOSSEE team coordinates the TBC project. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT, MHRD, Government of India. For more details, visit this website. This is Priya from IIT Bombay signing off. Thanks for watching.